In this video I'm going to show you how to get 50 Instagram video ideas in less than 10 seconds. You want to open a ChatGPT on your phone or your browser and then ask it like, give me 50 video ideas. My Instagram is in the fitness niche and my audience is male 30 plus, kinda obese. And then you wait for it to give you those 50 ideas. If some ideas you don't understand, you can ask it, hey, can you explain idea 10 in much greater detail? Or can you write me a video script for idea 15? Or even, can you write me what can I post as a picture for idea, let's say, 25? And that's basically how it can help you generate 50 ideas. Of course, you can play around with it, tell it more about your audience and niche, but that's pretty much in the nutshell. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe and comment this video helped me out. If it didn't, let me know what was the problem and I will do my best to help you.